Hi everybody, today we are going to see about Bite Snack Meal Farm. The Bite Snack Meal provides users with the content in at least 3 formats, each increasing in length and detail. A bite is typically a short statement similar to a news headline. A snack is a concise overview of the content, like a summary from a scholarly article. A meal is the complete offering. The average human attention span has significantly declined in this millennium, from approximately 12 seconds in 2000 to only 8 seconds currently. People are not setting aside time to read every lengthy blog post. Here, that is called the meal. However, they may have a moment for the 100-word overview, that is the snack. The one sentence headline, the bite. Now we can see with an example. You can see here the website about Grammarly has given this as a bite. A bite is a small piece of information without details. Brief snippet without elaboration. You can see here the score, the point about Grammarly they have given. It is a bite. Then what is a meal? A fusion of bites. The listeners are seeking further knowledge but not in great detail. You can see here in this snack, you can see the strengths and weaknesses of Grammarly is given in a small points or bulleted points. Now you can see the meal. It is a large piece of information filled with details and thorough explanation. It can go for several pages. More detail about the products. This is a bite. This is a snack. And this is a meal. Hope this video is useful to you.